Okay, I will talk about the embedded security project using the Gowin GW1NS2 developed board for authentication. So for this project, we were using two Gowin FPGA developed boards to proceed an authentication between these two boards. So all these two boards are connected to one computer. One board connected to COM port 11 and another connected to COM port 3. So I will show the whole authentication procedure by using in a console application written by Node.js. So now let's look at the console application. So in the console, when I reset these two boards, first I reset the press the reset button of the client board. We can see that the board was initialized. So the board tests the COM port and initialize the board key library and waiting for random number. So this is the client board, and also reset the host board. Press the reset button of the host board. The program will initialize board and getting ready for authentication. So the host board is waiting signal to send out the random number. So these two boards both in a while loop to start for the authentication procedure. So what we will do is to send a start signal to the host board to start the authentication. This can be done by just start my console application. So I will show the all the authentication detail later after this authentication finished. So after finished, if it is successful, the board will flash the LED and show some information on the LCD. Okay, let's look at the whole procedure. So first, the host board sending its random number to the client board, and also host board needs the public key from the client board. On the other side, the client board receives the random number from the host board, and also the client board sends out its public key to the host. And the second step is host board asking for signature to verify. So this signature is created by the client board. Also, it needs to send out the signed signature to host board. After sending out the signed signature, the task of client board is finished. And on the host side, first the host board receives the public key. It needs to change this public key to a public key code, which can be used in the verify the signed signature. Also, the host board receives the signed signature correctly, and it prints the information in the console. In the last step is the host board using the imported public key and the plain text, which is the random number it is sent to client board before to verify the signed signature. So we can see the signature was verified successful, and some information was printed here to show that the authentication procedure finished successful. So this is the end of the authentication of host board demo. So that's all the whole procedure of the two boards authentication.